Hey everybody, it's Mark Lima with the Lima Real Estate Group here with Justin over at EPiQ Lending. And today is Thursday, May 20th. So as you know, it's time for another episode of the Mortgage Minute. I believe this is our fourth episode. It's amazing how time flies. But without further ado, I'll hand it over to Justin so he can let us know what mortgage rates are doing this week.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks, Mark. Again, Justin here, EPiQ Lending. Thank you, everyone, for tuning in once again. As far as the mortgage world, there's not too much major economic news that happened this week. As far as interest rates did tick up a tiny bit this week. Nothing major. Rates are still great. Some examples of rates with good credit scores, etc. Your government loans, so FHA, VA, are going to be in the high 2s for a 30-year fixed loan. Conventional loans are going to be sitting about 3.25%. And then your jumbo loans are going to be about 3.375 to 3.5%. So again, rates ticked up a tiny bit. They're still great. On that note is rates are expected to increase come summertime. So if you're thinking of buying a home, definitely now is the time. Leverage the low rates before they go up. Maximize your buying power.
Awesome. Thanks, Justin. And before we let you go this week, last week we touched on it briefly and kind of gave you guys a little bit of a teaser about an amazing new program that Justin and his team over at EPiQ Lending are rolling out. As we mentioned last week, it's exclusive to them. They've created it. They're the only show in town with that. So I think we mentioned last week that we were going to give you some more information. We have a great video for you, but I'll hand it off to Justin and he'll let us know what's going on.
Yeah, absolutely. So this amazing program is called Home Funded. Again, it's our program. We created it. Basically, the biggest issue for first-time home buyers is accumulating or coming up with their down payment money. Our Home Funded program solves that problem and allows buyers to accumulate their down payment in a much quicker time frame, meaning they can actually buy their house quicker. So we'll roll in this quick video. Anyone who has questions on the program or would like to learn more about it, of course, reach out to myself or Mark.
Home Funded is the first and only down payment gifting platform designed by a mortgage lender to help you buy a home sooner with a larger down payment. It's down payment assistance reinvented. Here's how it works. Start at homefunded.com and sign up for your free Home Funded account. Create a unique campaign page and tell your story to family and friends. Include photos and videos. You can connect your Facebook so it's easy to access photos and share your campaign with your network. Then you can choose to use Home Funded, UpIt, or both at the same time. With UpIt, you and your supporters can start shopping online from the UpIt store link as soon as your page goes live. A percentage of each purchase will be pledged back to your down payment. There are over 1,000 participating retailers like Target, Petco, Overstock.com, and other stores you know and love. UpIt pledges never expire, so you can set up a campaign and shop with UpIt even if you don't plan to buy for a long time. With Home Funded, you set a down payment goal and start accepting gifts from family and friends. It's easy and it's online, and anyone can give. Each contributor can give up to $7,500. If you're a first-time home buyer, you can qualify for the Home Funded Closing Cost Grant. Eligible first-time home buyers will earn $2 for every $1 in regular contributions, up to the lesser of $2,000 or 1% of the purchase price. To qualify, you'll need to complete a free home buyer education course, online or over the phone, before the purchase contract is signed. As an added bonus, every time you or someone you know shares your campaign on social media through the buttons on the campaign page, you'll earn an extra $10 towards the closing cost grant. Sharing your story tells your network you're trying to buy a home, and might even help you get more gifts. As a second bonus, for each $1 you earn on UpIt pledges, you get another $2 towards your closing cost grant. For example, a 4% rebate pledge from Walmart now works out to an amazing 12% in value. So don't forget to tell your supporters to do all their shopping from your campaign page. With Home Funded, you could be ready to buy much sooner than you ever thought possible. When you're ready to start shopping for a home, you can use all of your gift funds. Then at closing, any additional grants and UpIt pledges will be automatically applied. Welcome home. And don't forget to invite all your contributors to your housewarming party.